This building is 5355 Ohio Street. It's a 4-unit building. 2 units in front, 2 units in back, and we're going to look at 55 number 2. It's actually just been renovated. So this is the parking area right behind the building, so there's plenty of parking here. So this has all new flooring, new paint. So right off the entryway is the living room. There's new windows here. These are brand new blinds. The flooring is new. This is nice wood laminate. As you come in the entryway, there's new flooring here. This is a really nice tile linoleum. And this is propane heat. And heat is included with the rent. So this is the living room. There's an entryway, open area that goes into the kitchen. The living room actually is a pretty decent size. And it goes into the kitchen, and then right here is a closet which has the hot water heater, electric panel, and then under the stairs here's some storage. And then this is the kitchen. Again, pretty spacious. There's room over here by the window for table and chairs. So it is an eat-in kitchen if you'd like. Pretty decent counter and cupboard space. Electric stove. Does have a new dishwasher that was just installed. And then back here is a office study, or it could be a bedroom. It does have a door and a double closet. This closet, it has one door on one side, but this closet actually goes all the way down through. So plenty of storage in here. And this is a pretty good size. It is wired for cable internet as well in here. Again, pretty good size. Could be a bedroom, or it could be an office study, storage. And again, that's downstairs behind the kitchen. And then on the second floor, you do have a full bath plus 2 good-sized bedrooms. There's carpeting on the stairs, but that's actually the only place where there is carpet in this unit. Again, up here you have the nice wood laminate floors. This does have a washer-dryer hookup and its own closet right here. You have some shelving up above. So there's plenty of room here for standard washer-dryer hookup side by side. And it does have a light, so makes it convenient. And then right across here is the bathroom. You have a vanity with drawers. There's a medicine cabinet up here. And then it is a full bath, so it has a tub and shower. And then in the back, again, you have another Renai heater, which is runs off propane. They're very efficient. They do give off a pretty fair amount of heat. This way you do have a bedroom, again, a pretty decent sized bedroom. This one has one closet, which again is a pretty good size. This is a back bedroom, so it looks down over the parking lot. And then back out this way, there's another bedroom. And this one has two closets, or a double closet. This one has larger windows. They're casement style. They're the kind that, rather than being double hung, open up and down, they crank out. So I get a better view back here at the doorway. So these all have overhead lights. I know some older buildings don't have wiring for overhead lights. These rooms all do have overhead lights. So also a window here in the hallway. So it does get plenty of light in here. Again, pretty spacious unit. Everything's included, heat, except electric, heat, water, sewer, snow plowing, lawn care. So tenant pays for electric and then whatever they want to do for internet cable. So that concludes the video tour of 55 Ohio Street, unit number 2. It's a 2-bedroom plus bonus room townhouse. So if you have any questions, you can contact us at rentbangor.com or call 207-974-6606.